Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to customize brushes in Adobe Fresco. Well, first, create a base brush design using the vector brush. Then, we will sample this design using the multicolor eyedropper tool. Then, we will add this sample to the color swatches, recent colors. Next, select the pixel brush, tap on basic, and tap hard round. You can also select the live brushes and select the brush sample as the color. Tweak your brush in the brush settings to achieve the right brush. And main settings to change here is the directional settings. Use the spacing to adjust the distance between each brush design to create a continuous flow. If your brush is displaying sideways, use the transform tool to rotate the brush design after the one and start all over again. If you want to change the color of the brush, just go to Color, HSB settings, and adjust the hue, the saturation, and brightness levels to get the desired colors. It is definitely a bit of an extra work, but totally worth it when you want to improve your workflow, especially when you are required to create a certain pattern over a huge area. Now that you have figured out how to create a brush in Adobe Fresco, you have so many new, wonderful things waiting to be explored. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.